In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Shopify billing in just 5 minutes. Whether you're aiming to take a short break from your online business or considering a more permanent shutdown, managing your Shopify billing is a crucial step to take. By following these clear, precise instructions, you'll find the process straightforward and hassle-free. Let's start by visiting the Shopify website. Type in the URL or simply search for Shopify on your preferred search engine. Once you're on the homepage, the next step is to sign into your account. Look for the login button, usually found in the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will take you to the login screen where you'll need to enter your account details. First off, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure to use the email address associated with your Shopify store. After entering your email, click Next to proceed to the next step, which involves entering your password. When inputting your password, ensure it's typed correctly to avoid any login issues. Then click on the Login button to access your Shopify dashboard. Once successfully logged in, you should find yourself on the My Store page, which is essentially your Shopify dashboard. Here you can view all pertinent information and manage your store. To continue with the billing adjustments, you'll want to navigate to the settings of your store. Look for the Settings option, typically found at the bottom left corner of the dashboard. Clicking on Settings will open up a plethora of options related to your store's setting configurations. Within the breadth of options available in Settings, find and click on the Billing section. This action will redirect you to a new page where all your billing information, including your current Shopify plan, is displayed. Now, to view or amend any subscriptions you have with Shopify, whether it's your plan or any app subscriptions, click on View All Subscriptions. This will present you with a detailed overview of all active subscriptions tied to your account. At this juncture, you have a decision to make. Shopify offers you the option to either pause your plan or cancel it entirely. If you're considering a temporary hiatus but plan to return to your online business soon, pausing your plan might be the most beneficial route. This option can give you some breathing room without severing ties with Shopify entirely. On the other hand, if you've decided to completely step away from your Shopify store, cancellation is the choice to make. Before making this crucial decision, it's vital to understand the implications of each. Pausing your plan temporarily suspends your store, but maintains your data for when you're ready to return. Cancelling your plan, however, is a more definitive action. Depending on the terms of service, you might lose access to certain data or store configurations upon cancellation. It's essential to review what each option entails directly on the Shopify support pages to ensure you're making the best decision for your current situation. Regardless of your choice, the procedure is fairly simple. Click on either Pause Plan or Cancel Plan and follow the prompts. Shopify will guide you through the necessary steps, whether it's confirming the pause duration or ensuring all aspects of the cancellation are understood. Once completed, you'll receive a confirmation from Shopify, effectively stopping your billing based on the action you took. Before wrapping up, here are a couple of tips to ensure a smooth transition. First, if you're leaning towards cancellation, take the time to back up any important data or store information. Once cancelled, retrieving certain types of data may not be possible. Secondly, review any existing app subscriptions or third-party services tied to your Shopify store. These may require separate cancellation processes to fully stop billing. Taking control of your Shopify billing doesn't have to be a daunting task. By following these steps, you can efficiently pause or cancel your plan, giving you the flexibility or closure needed for your business endeavors. Remember, Shopify's customer service team is always there to assist you if you encounter any issues or have questions along the way. So that's all you need to know about stopping your Shopify billing. Whether it's a pause or a full stop, managing your financial commitments on the platform is straightforward and quick. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. Wishing you the best on your e-commerce journey, whatever your future decisions may be.